Hi, my name is Miss Sabrina. Today I'm really excited to show you the steps for how to dry the dishes after you wash them by hand. Let's take a look together.
The first step for drying dishes is to grab a small towel. These are sometimes called kitchen rags or a dishcloth. The next step is to take a dish from the drying rack. Here you can see I have a bowl. I'm going to dry one side of it and then turn it over and dry the other side. Make sure you dry all the way inside. The next step is to put the dish away. Here you can see it goes in my cabinet. Can you see where this dish goes? Right, it goes up here. You want to make sure that you keep your dishes with the other similar dishes, the ones that are the same. Now we're going to repeat these steps. So grab another dish from the drying rack, dry one side of the dish, and then turn it over and dry the other side of the dish. Perfect. Now we're going to put it back in the cabinet. This dish is different though. This is a flat plate, a small one. So I'm going to put it with the other flat, small plates. Again, we're going to repeat these steps. Dry the top of the next dish. Dry the other side of the dish. Then put it away where it belongs. This is another plate, but it's a big plate, and it goes here with the other big plates. Let me show you these steps with a utensil. Here I have a spoon. I'm going to make sure to dry both sides of the spoon. The spoon goes with the other spoons. Let's stop. Can you see where this spoon belongs? Right, over here with the other large spoons. This is a knife. We want to be really careful with any sharp objects like knives or scissors. I'm going to hold it by the handle away from my body and then put it away with the other knives. Here you can see me do it with some other utensils and dishes. Put the fork away, grab another fork and dry it, then put it away. Here's a little orange spoon. That's my daughter's. I'm going to put it with the other colorful spoons. Next, I'm going to grab this little pink cup. I'm going to dry the outside and the inside of the cup. Then I'm going to put it with the other small colorful cups. The last thing I have to dry is this glass. I'm going to dry the inside and the outside. Then I'm going to put it away with the other glasses that look the same. And that's it.
Thanks so much for following along and learning how to dry the dishes after you wash them. Now it's your turn to try this skill at home. If you need some extra help, check the description below for a step-by-step picture guide on how to do it. Thanks for watching.